Hello everyone and welcome to 1957 Eagle Lane in Navarre, Florida. We are in the 32566 today in the very large neighborhood of Holley by the Sea. This home is located just off Edgewood Drive, which is one of the main roads in Holley by the Sea, providing you easy access to 98 and just getting around town. Holley by the Sea has a lot of wonderful amenities such as a pool, tennis courts, basketball courts. There is an event house that you can rent out for events such as baby showers, things like that. But yes, this is a wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sitting at over 2,400 square feet, sitting on a half-acre lot, and it does have a 5-year-old roof as well as new flooring and paint throughout. So as you can see, you do have a 2-car garage and plenty of driveway parking. And we'll go inside and take a look at over 2,400 square feet of living space today. Upon entry, you can see we've got neutral flooring as well as paint throughout, really just giving you this blank canvas to bring your own style in and create the space that fits your needs the best. This is a 4-bedroom home, but you do have a bonus room right when you walk in. This could be a great office space or guest bedroom or 5th bedroom if you are needing the extra bedroom space. You do have double doors that will close this off and make it private like a bedroom. Just across the way in the foyer area is the formal dining room. Very similar to the room we just saw, but it does not have doors to close it off. It's just an open space. Just off the dining area, or off the kitchen here. Coming into the kitchen, got plenty of cabinetry. It is open to the living and breakfast nook. And then you do have a pantry as well for added storage. Got your built-ins in there. Mainly white appliances. There is a stainless steel dishwasher. Then you do have a built-in microwave as well. And just across this breakfast bar here is the breakfast nook. So plenty of places to entertain as well as dine. And then here we are in the living room. I love the fireplace in here, really creates a focal point. You've got this beautiful fresh white paint shining, high ceilings, and then you do have the plant ledges to the right and the left of the fireplace, as well as these nooks for built-ins or entertainment areas or storage, whatever fits your needs. And then as you can see from the front of the living room, we do have direct access to the backyard and covered patio through those patio doors. And here is the angle of the front door from the living room. I love the little archway above the door, just always nice to add a little bit of character. I will take you into the primary bedroom first, just off the kitchen here. And then you do have the laundry area just off the kitchen area as well. It does have direct access from the 2-car garage, so that's a great landing zone. Coming into the very bright and spacious primary suite, you can see out into the backyard, the beautiful wooded area. And it flows perfectly into the bathroom, and you've got this beautiful archway highlighting that transition here. Coming into the very spacious bathroom, you've got a large double vanity, bright vanity lighting. You've got a fabulous walk-in closet, lots of depth here. Great size closet in the master bathroom. You do have a water closet. Pardon my camera there. And then in addition to the closet that I just showed you, we do also have this shelving through sliding doors for some added storage. Now there is tile near the bath and shower, which is nice to save your flooring. You do have this nice soaking tub here. Beautiful frosted window to allow some natural light in. It's a very gray day here. And then you do also have a tiled standing shower. Got a great sized bathroom. Not sure what more you could want. Plenty of space. And I will take you back to the primary bedroom as we go to the back porch from the living room. You do have access from the primary suite, as you just saw, to the backyard. Most Holley by the Sea lots are sitting on a ½ acre. This one is 0.46 of an acre. But as you can see, not much has been done to this lot. So you've got these beautiful natural woods. Really just feels so serene, but really you have the opportunity to create the backyard that you're wanting back here, whether that is a natural backyard, whether you want to clear it out, add whatever fits your needs. This is really just a canvas for you to decide. And of course, we've got the classic Florida pine trees. They are beautiful. And that is your view while you are sitting on the covered porch here. All right, going back inside, I will show you the other bedrooms. So you've got your own separate wing here. It does have a full bathroom just as you enter this hallway, and this door does have access to the backyard that you just saw. You do have a tub shower combo in here, as well as a little window for some added light. Commode, of course. I am so sorry about my camera. Single vanity. And your vanity lighting. And then we're into our first bedroom with this brand new carpet. The fresh paint does continue throughout the entirety of the home. This one does have a beautiful view of the backyard. And your closet there for this bedroom. As we pass by, we can look at the beautiful detail on the fireplace. As we enter into our other hallway with 2 bedrooms and full bathroom. This bathroom is pretty much a replica of what we just saw. You've got the single vanity, bright lighting, tub shower combo, and little window just above the shower there for some added lighting. And yes, it is daytime here. It just gets dark at 5 p.m. Coming into the other bedroom here. Got a nice bright ceiling fan, window, closet there. Very cozy with the new carpet. And then you do have a linen closet just off the bedroom and the bathroom for added storage. All right, coming into our final bedroom, our 4th bedroom. You do have a bright double window overlooking the street. Closet there and your ceiling fan. So I believe every bedroom is equipped with a ceiling fan, which is great in Florida. All right, guys, once again, this is 1957 Eagle Lane in Navarre, Florida. This home is located in Holley by the Sea, giving you access to all those wonderful amenities. And this is a beautiful home, new flooring throughout, new paint throughout, a 5-year-old roof, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, as well as a bonus room. This is a great opportunity to find yourself in Holley by the Sea, guys. Come check this one out.